A sunken shipping container made headlines after local researchers discovered a strange metallic object at the ocean's bottom. On the surface, it looked ordinary, but inside, it held a massive secret. Coast Guard buoys had detected unusual tremors in the water, prompting Captain Izzy Barkley and her team to investigate. Diving to the site, Izzy found the container far too heavy to lift manually, so they deployed a high-tech underwater drone. It took intense effort, rocking their ship and straining the crane, but eventually the container was lifted onto the deck. To everyone's surprise, it was watertight, unlike any normal shipping container. When the team pried it open, they were stunned. The inside was fully furnished with a bed, couch, table, and even personal belongings like photos of a man and his family. Izzy's colleague discovered a plastic bag containing a dry recorder. Playing it revealed the voice of Ahmed Osman, who begged for help, explaining that he and others were trapped on a cargo ship called the Ever Cargo Voyager. Investigating further, Izzy traced the ship and coordinated with the Coast Guard and police. Disguised as scientists, they boarded the vessel, only to be captured and pulled into a container. Inside, they found people living in furnished containers, prisoners forced to work for the crew. Ahmed explained that he had hidden a message inside a container when the crew tried to dispose of him. With the police now aware of the situation, a surprise raid was planned. The operation succeeded, the crew was arrested, and all the trapped families were freed. The ship was taken over by the authorities, and the story quickly became national news. Izzy's quick thinking and bravery ensured that countless people were rescued from exploitation, turning a mysterious discovery into a life-saving mission.